Grahak Sathi, 19th August 2023, Volume 4, Number 8. Right to Repair Portal. Benefits and how to use it. What is the Right to Repair Portal? Did you ever have to wait for days to get a gadget or appliance, laptop, mobile or washing machine, etc., repaired from an authorized workshop? To bring relief to consumers in such situations, now the Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India has set up the Right to Repair portal. This portal will serve as a single platform to provide easy access to necessary information on repair and maintenance of products to consumers from local shops without losing warranty. The portal currently covers 4 sectors: farming equipment, mobiles and electronics, consumer durables and automobile equipment. It provides all the information related to product service, warranty, terms and conditions and post-sales information provided by the consumer brands to consumers in India. What is right to repair? The right to repair gives consumers access to affordable repair for products like mobiles, appliances, etc. by original equipment manufacturers, OEMs or third-party repairers. The aim is to offer consumers a cheaper alternative to repairing products instead of buying new products or expensive replacements. This also helps to extend the product's life, thereby increasing sustainability. The Right to Repair framework has been launched as part of the Lifestyle for Environment initiative, which is aimed at mindful and deliberate utilization instead of mindless and destructive consumption to protect and preserve the environment. How will the Right to Repair portal help consumers? The Right to Repair portal, https rightRepairIndia.gov.in, gives the consumers a chance to repair their products at a reasonable cost instead of replacing the damaged products by buying new products. Consumers can access a variety of services and information through this portal, including product repair and maintenance, replacement parts and warranty information. It protects consumers against planned obsolescence of products designed to have a limited life. The portal gives consumer care contact details of all major consumer products. Manufacturers to enable consumers to reach out quickly and conveniently for assistance for repairs or technical support. All information related to the product service, warranty, terms and conditions, etc. is available on the portal. Consumers can check the authenticity of spare parts, price and information on country of origin. It also provides information to enable consumers to self-repair products and know about authorized repairers and third-party repairers. How to use the Right to Repair portal? You can get information about product warranty terms and conditions, compatibility of spare parts, authorized service centers, etc. for a specific product on the portal. Apart from that, a company overview and their social media handles are also displayed to help you get authentic information and updates. Steps for using the portal. Open the Right to Repair portal website at https rightRepairIndia.gov.in. You will see the 4 different product categories, sectors covered under Right to Repair: farming equipment, mobile electronics displays, data storage components, consumer durables and automobile equipment. Below the sectors, you will also see all the registered brands, which include prominent companies such as Samsung, Apple, Hero, Boat, Panasonic, Realme, etc. Tap or click on a sector to get a list of all brands registered for that sector, or you can directly click on the brand for which you require information. Another way to choose the brand is to click on the customer care tab on the top menu bar of the home page and then select the sector, e.g. mobiles, and then choose the brand name. After selecting the brand, you will get the product listing section which shows all the registered products manufactured by the respective company or brand. This section gives you easy access to all the information for a specific product. Click on the product for which you want the information. A fresh page will open where you will find all product related information under different tabs. Basic information provides product name, registration, batch number, product details, etc. Product information provides warranty guarantee details including duration and terms and conditions. Customer care details gives customer care phone number, email ID and hours of operation. Service detail gives detail of authorized service centers. AMC detail repair manuals, recognize multi-brand stores, centers, etc. Other detail any other miscellaneous information. Frequently asked questions. Given here are some frequently asked questions to help you get your gadgets, appliances and electronics repaired. Does the Right to Repair portal help consumers for self-repair? Yes, it provides consumers with the information and resources they need to repair their products themselves rather than having to rely completely on manufacturers or authorized repair shop. What are the benefits of the Right to Repair portal? With the help of this portal, users can access a wide range of services including product repair and maintenance, replacement parts and warranty information. It also provides detail of services provided by authorized service providers. Consumers can access information about product maintenance, repair and can have their product serviced quickly. What sectors are covered by the Right to Repair? It covers 4 sectors including farming equipments, mobile and electronics, consumer durables and automobile equipments. Which brands are registered on the portal? Currently more than 25 brands including Apple, Samsung, Realme, Oppo, HP, Boat, Panasonic, LG, Kent, Havells, Microtech, Luminous, Hero MotoCorp and Honda Motorcycle are registered on Right to Repair portal under the consumer durables, electronic devices and automobile sector. Can I get my car or bike repaired by a third party repairer using the Right to Repair portal? Yes. You can get your car or bike repaired through the Right to Repair portal without losing warranty. What kind of information and resources are available on the Right to Repair portal? The portal provides a variety of information and resources related to repairing electronic devices and appliances, including repair manuals, troubleshooting guides and tutorials. It also gives details of independent repair shops and technicians who can help consumers repair their products. Editorial team: Chairman CERC and Torch Praful Amin, Chairman CERS Walter Vieira, CEO and Executive Editors Uday Mawani, Associate Editors Anusha Iyer, Rashmi Goyal, Editorial Assistant Meena Bathvi. Address: Consumer Education and Research Center, 801-808, 8th floor, Sakar 2, next to Ellisbridge Police Station, Ashram Road, Ahmedabad 380006. Telephone number 079-3533-7262 or 65. Email address: complaints@cercindia.org. टोल फ्री हेल्पलाइन नंबर 1800-233-0222. ध्वनि मुद्रण शांता मेहता डिजिटल टॉकिंग बुक लाइब्रेरी, अंजन मंडल, वस्त्रापुर, अहमदाबाद 380015. वॉइस ओवर बाय आनल दवे.